Thank you for watching our video on better understanding a network diagram. This video will review the 5 things you need to know. Network diagrams are visual representations of a network's architecture, showcasing the relationships between various components such as routers, switches, servers, endpoints, and connections. They provide a high-level overview of how devices are interconnected and how data flows within the network. These diagrams serve as invaluable tools for network administrators, engineers, and stakeholders in understanding, designing, troubleshooting, and documenting networks. Logical network maps illustrate the conceptual layout of a network, focusing on how data flows between devices and services. They abstract away physical details and emphasize logical relationships, such as IP addressing, routing protocols, and logical groupings of devices. Physical network diagrams depict the physical components of a network, including the actual devices, their physical locations, cabling infrastructure, and hardware connections. These diagrams offer a detailed view of the network's tangible elements, aiding in hardware deployment, maintenance, and troubleshooting. Hybrid network visualization combine elements of both logical and physical representations, providing a comprehensive view that encompasses both the conceptual and tangible aspects of the network architecture. Network diagrams serve as blueprints for designing new networks or modifying existing ones. They help in visualizing network topologies, determining optimal device placement, and planning network expansion. During network outages or performance issues, network topologies facilitate troubleshooting by providing insights into the network structure and potential points of failure. Network visuals serve as valuable documentation assets, aiding in knowledge transfer, compliance requirements, and future reference for network configurations and layouts. Network diagrams enable effective communication among stakeholders, including network engineers, IT teams, management, and external vendors, by providing a common visual language for discussing network architecture and changes. Here are some best practices for creating network diagrams. Keep it clear and concise. Avoid cluttering the diagram with unnecessary details. Use clear labels, symbols, and colors to differentiate between components and connections. B. Use standard symbols and notations. Adhere to industry-standard symbols and notations to ensure consistency and ease of understanding across different diagrams and organizations. C. Maintain accuracy and currency. Regularly update network maps to reflect changes in the network topology, configurations, and additions/removals of devices. D. Document assumptions and dependencies. Include relevant information about assumptions, dependencies, and constraints that impact the network design or implementation. E. Provide detailed documentation. Supplement network diagrams with detailed documentation including device configurations, IP addressing schemes, VLAN assignments, and security policies to provide comprehensive context and aid in troubleshooting. There are many different tools you can use to create a network diagram. Here are 4 I recommend. UVexplorer is an automated network diagramming tool that uses SNMP and other credentials to create a visual diagram of your network. It's fast and easy to use. Microsoft Visio is a popular diagramming tool used for creating a wide range of diagrams, including network maps, with extensive built-in shapes and templates. Lucidchart is a web-based diagramming solution that offers collaborative features and integrations with popular cloud services, making it suitable for team collaboration and documentation. Draw.io is an open-source diagramming tool that provides a user-friendly interface and supports a variety of diagram types, including network diagrams, flowcharts, and UML diagrams. Thank you for watching our video on network diagram. You can find out more information on network diagrams at UVexplorer.com.